Hi everyone, this is lecture 3 in unit 4. So remaining problems in Cauchy's integral formula. So problem is find f of 2 and f of 3 if f of a equal to integral 2z square minus z minus 2 by z minus a dz, where c is the circle mod z equal to 2.5 using Cauchy's integral formula. In this problem, given f of a is integral 2z square minus z minus 2 by z minus a dz and circle is mod z equal to 2.5. So, in this problem, we have to find f of 2 and f of 3. First, to find f of 2. F of 2 means here a is 2. So, in a given value f of a, let phi of z is 2z square minus z minus 2, then given f of a is in the form of integral phi of z by z minus a dz, and here z equal to 2. Given circle is mod z equal to 2.5. So mod z means mod x plus iy equal to 2.5. Using magnitude formula, x square plus y square equal to 6.25. Here z equal to 2. Z equal to 2 means x plus iy equal to 2. Comparing real and imaginary parts, x equal to 2 and y equal to 0. Then substitute in a circle equation. X is 2 and y is 0. That is 4 less than 6.25. So z equal to 2 lies inside the circle. So we have f of a means f of 2 equal to integral phi of z by z minus a dz. So we have to using Cauchy's integral formula, that is 2 pi I f of that means phi of a. Here phi of z is 2z square minus z minus 2. Then phi of a is 2a square minus a minus 2. So we have f of a equal to integral 2z square minus z minus 2 by z minus a dz is 2 pi I phi of a. Phi of a means 2a square minus a minus 2. Here a is 2. Therefore, f of 2 equal to 2 pi I into, then substitute a equal to 2. Then we got 8 pi I. So, f of 2 equal to 8 pi I. Next, to find f of 3. Here a is 3. So, in this equation z equal to 3, that means x plus iy equal to 3. Comparing real and imaginary, real is 3 and imaginary is 0. Then substitute in a circle equation is x square plus y square equal to 6.25, that equal to 9 plus 0. That is 9. 9 is greater than 6.25. So z equal to 3 is outside the circle. Outside the circle means we have to use Cauchy's integral theorem. So that is integral phi of z by z minus a dz is 0. Therefore, f of 3 equal to integral 2z square minus z minus 2 dz by z minus a equal to 0, which implies f of 3 value is 0. Next problem is evaluate integral e power z by z into 1 minus z whole cube dz. So first one is 0 lies inside C and 1 lies outside C. Second one is 1 lies inside C and 0 lies outside C. Third one is both lies inside C. Solution is to evaluate integral e power z by z into 1 minus z whole cube dz. That equal to, then we have to write denominator 1 minus z is z minus 1. So we take the multiple of minus integral e power z by z into z minus 1 whole cube dz. So in this integral we have to find singularities. Then let z into z minus 1 whole cube equal to 0. So z equal to 0 and z equal to 1 are singularities. First, to find, number 1 is 0 lies inside C and lies outside C. Then we have to write given integral minus integral e power z by z into z minus 1 whole cube dz equal to, then in this case 0 lies inside C and 1 lies outside C. So then we have to write this integration. 1 lies outside C means then z minus 1 whole cube is, then we have to take an numerator value. So minus integral e power z by z minus 1 whole cube by 0 is inside. So then we have to take in z minus 0 is denominator into dz, that equal to minus 2 pi I into f of a. Here a means f of 0. So this is the formula of Cauchy's integral theorem. Integral f of z by z minus a dz is 2 pi I f of a. Here f of z is e power z by z minus 1 whole cube, and f of 0 is, then substitute z equal to 0, we get f of 0 is minus 1. Therefore minus integral e power z by z into z minus 1 whole cube dz equal to minus 2 pi I into f of 0 is minus 1. So that equal to 2 pi I. Next, second one is 1 lies inside C and 0 lies outside C. So problem is minus integral e power z by z into z minus 1 whole cube dz, that equal to minus integral 0 lies outside C. Then we have to take in z minus 0 is numerator value and 1 lies inside C. So z minus 1 we have to take in denominator value. So minus integral e power z by z minus 1 whole cube dz. So in this problem we have to, using this formula, integral f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz equal to 2 pi I by n factorial into f power n of a. So here in this problem f of z is e power z by z. Now we have to find f double dash of z. First to find f dash of z is, this is a u by v formula. Then we get e power z into z minus 1 by z square. Again using u by v formula, we get f double dash of z equal to z square e power z minus z e power z into z minus 1 by z power 4. So this is the f double dash of z. So that is minus integral e power z by z minus 1 whole cube. Here f of z is e power z by z and z minus a means 1 and whole power n means 2 plus 1. So n equal to 2. That is minus 2 pi I by n factorial is 2 factorial f double dash of z. Z means z equal to 1. So minus 2 pi I by 2 factorial into f double dash of 1. Minus 2 pi I by 2 is minus pi I. F double dash of z is this value, z square e power z minus z e power z into z minus 1 by z power 4. F double dash 1 means, then substitute z equal to 1. We get e power 1 minus e power 1 into 1 minus 1 by 1. That is e. So final value is minus pi I e. Next, third one is both lies inside C. So the problem is minus integral e power z by z into z minus 1 whole cube dz. That is, in case both lies inside C means, then we have to consider 0 and 1. So minus integral e power z by z into z minus 1 whole cube. So e power z into 1 by z into z minus 1 whole cube. Then we have to, using partial fraction, we get 1 by z into z minus 1 whole cube value, that equal to a by z plus b by z minus 1 plus c by z minus 1 whole square plus d by z minus 1 whole cube. So we are using the partial fraction model. Then we get a, b, c, d values. First put z equal to 1, we get a value. Next put z equal to 0. Then comparing the z square highest coefficient, z cube coefficient on both sides. Then we get a, b, c, d values. Comparing a cube coefficients, then we get b equal to 1, and comparing a square coefficient, we get c equal to 5. Then substitute a, b, c, d values in given equation. 1 by z into z minus 1 whole cube equal to a by, that means minus 1 by z, b is 1, 1 by z minus 1, c is 5, 5 by z minus 1 whole square, plus d is 1, 1 by z minus 1 whole cube. So minus integral e power z by z into z minus 1 whole cube dz equal to minus integral e power z, 1 by z into z minus 1 whole cube is minus 1 by z plus 1 by z minus 1 plus 5 by z minus 1 whole square plus 1 by z minus 1 whole cube dz. Next, we separate the integrals in four terms. First term is integral e power z by z dz minus integral e power z by z minus 1 dz minus 5 integral e power z by z minus 1 whole square dz minus integral e power z by z minus 1 whole cube dz. So, in four terms, we have to use the Cauchy's integral formula. This is in the form of integral f of z by z minus a dz. In first term, f of z is e power z and a is 0. So, that equal to 2 pi I into f of 0 minus in second term, f of z is e power z and minus a is 1. So, minus 2 pi I f of 1 minus 5 into, so this is in the form of integral f of z by z minus a whole power n plus 1 dz. So, minus 5 into 2 pi I by n factorial means 1 factorial f dash of 1 minus 2 pi I by n factorial means 2 factorial f double dash of 1. Here f of z is e power z. Next to find f of 0, f of 1, f dash 1, f double dash of 1. So, f of 0 is e power 0 1, f of 1 is e power 1 e, f dash of 1 is e and f double dash of 1 equal to e power 1 is e. Substitute these values. 2 pi I into f of 0 1 minus 2 pi I into f of 1 is e minus 10 pi I into f dash of 1 is e minus pi I into f double dash of 1 is e. So, that equal to 2 pi I minus 13 pi I e. Therefore, minus integral e power z by z into z minus 1 whole cube dz is 2 pi I minus 13 pi I e. Next problem is evaluate integral over c sin pi z square plus cos pi z square by z minus 1 into z minus 2 dz, where c is the circle mod z equal to 3 using Cauchy's integral formula. To evaluate integral over c sin pi z square plus cos pi z square by z minus 1 into z minus 2 dz. So, in this integral, first to find singularities, for singularities let z minus 1 into z minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, z equal to 1 and z equal to 2. Given circle is mod z equal to 3. Using magnitude formula, mod x plus iy equal to 3, then root of x square plus y square equal to 3, squaring on both sides, x square plus y square equal to 9. So, this is the circle equation. In two singularities, first singularity is z equal to 1. So, to verify the singularity is inside or outside. So, mod z equal to 1 means mod x plus iy equal to 1. Then comparing both sides, real part is 1 and imaginary part is 0. And circle equation is x square plus y square equal to 9. Substitute these values in circle equation, we get 1 less than 9. And second singularity is z equal to 2. So, z means x plus iy equal to 2. Here comparing real and imaginary, we get x equal to 2 and y equal to 0. Substitute in circle equation, we get 4 less than 9. So, z equal to 1 and z equal to 2. Two singularities are lies inside the circle. So, given integration is integral sin pi z square plus cos pi z square by z minus 1 into z minus 2 dz equal to integral sin pi z square plus cos pi z square. Now, given integration is we have to write in the form of integral f of z by z minus a dz. So, 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2 is divided in using by observation or partial fraction. We have to divide in two parts. So, 1 by z minus 1 into z minus 2 is 1 by z minus 2 minus 1 by z minus 1 dz. So, the integration is divided into two parts. First one is integral sin pi z square plus cos pi z square by z minus 2 dz minus integral sin pi z square plus cos pi z square by z minus 1 dz. So, first integration is in the form of integral f of z by z minus a. Here a is 2 and f of z is sin pi z square plus cos pi z square. That equal to formula is 2 pi I into f of a. That means f of 2 minus second integration is 2 pi I into f of 1. A is 1. That equal to 2 pi I into f of z is sin pi z square plus cos pi z square. F of 2 is sin 4 pi plus cos 4 pi minus 2 pi I into sin pi plus cos pi. That equal to 2 pi I into sin 4 pi. Sin 4 pi means sin n pi is always 0. N is even or odd. So sin 4 pi is 0. Cos 4 pi. 4 is even. That value is 1. Minus 2 pi I into sin pi is 0. Cos pi is minus 1. So that equal to, this is the 2 pi I plus 2 pi I. That equal to 4 pi I.